And hello there, Ganda fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And what we have here today is, yes, one of my prizes for winning a third runner-up in Hobby Toys Laguna 7th year anniversary build-off. We have the AMX 104 R Jarja, which is a Neo Zeon prototype mobile suit. And this bad guy is present in the Gundam ZZ anime, still under the Universal Century. So, yep, it's still part of the HGUC. So, first look at the box art, we can see R Jarja here and Double Zeta in the background. And off to the side, yep, this is what we can see when R Jarja is built. Some action poses that you can do with it, and it tells you the gimmicks. Side, yep, here it is, and on the other side it shows you the information of the Double Zeta Gundam show and some other stuff. So let's take a look what's inside the box. So first up, we are greeted with one bag here with two runners and a sticker sheet. So the red here is actually one with just red and one dark red going to maroon. Second bag has three runners. So again, one of which is the same red color, one is a deeper red and a gray runner. Third bag, we have the polycaps and bright red color. Fourth bag has mostly two runners of black and a yellow runner. And a clear yellow runner. And of course, we have the instruction manual for R Jarja. Yep. So let's take a look individually at these runners. So first up, we have runner A, which is a bright red color. I think most of these parts, as we can see, we have some back skirt here, the front skirt, and I think parts for the feet. So that's runner A. We also have a runner B, also of the same color, and mostly, some parts for the legs, some for the body, I guess, and some, I think, for the shoulder parts. And we have a C1 plate, which is all gray. So parts for the manipulators is here, for the gun accessories is here, yep. We also have a C2 runner. Again, the same color as runner A and runner B, which is a bright red color. Mostly, I think, this would be parts for the shoulders, yeah. So that's C2. We have a runner D, which is a darker red color. So, viewing at it, we have the fin here, parts for the feet, head, some parts of the waist, I guess, and some parts for the arms. We have a E1 runner, which is all gray. A E2 runner, again all gray. We have a F runner, which is all yellow. An F2 runner, again with the darker red color. And a G runner, which is a clear yellow. I think, yeah, beam saber effect. We have then a polycap and another polycap. And of course, let's not forget the sticker sheet and the instruction manual. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGUC AMX14 R Jarja. So again, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and of course sharing the videos. And of course, I'll be leaving a link down below for Hobby Toys Laguna so you can check them out. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.